Welcome to this moment of stillness. If your mind feels full, if thoughts are racing, know that you are in the right place. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Notice the thoughts in your mind, but instead of engaging with them, imagine them as clouds drifting across the sky, passing, shifting, but never staying. With each breath, allow a little more space between the clouds. Give your mind permission to slow down. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air moving in and out, steady and calm. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them, then gently return to your breath. Inhale clarity. Exhale overthinking. Let this moment be enough. No need to solve, fix, or analyze. Just be here. Take one last deep breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of spaciousness and ease with you.